Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're up here at the Foothills Estates, checking out this RV garage pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 6030 Circula da Hacienda in the Arroyos at Havasu Foothills Estates. Real nice custom homes up here. This is a plan unit development and there is an HOA. It's very cheap. It's like $100 a year. All the houses are nice up here. So this one does sit on a big 12,000 square foot corner lot. It's listed for $889. So you have a little side parking, full paver driveway. Let's go on in and check it out. 8-foot entry door. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2019, 1,664 square feet. Again, sits on a nice 12,000 square foot corner lot in the Arroyos. So you have a nice double slider out to the backyard pool area, plank tile floors, tall ceilings, 8-foot interior doors. This is a split floor plan. So you have the guest bedrooms at the front of the house and the master at the rear of the house. So you have a little dining area. It's got the trowel down walls and ceilings, upgraded cabinets, a real nice piece of leathered granite on the island, stainless appliances. It's kind of a cool little tiled backsplash they have. There are underground utilities out here. Nice big window out to the pool area. So again, you have the master at the rear of the house. Barn door slider into the master bath. There is a door out to the patio pool area and another big window. So you have a nice master bath, plank tile floors in here as well. Not sure if that's quartz or travertine, but it's nice. Got a little window at the top there, tall ceilings in here. Got your water closet with its own door. Nice tiled walk-in shower. Cool tile work. Walk-in closet. So I guess gold's coming back and I'm not happy about that, but whatever. Let's go check out the other side of the house. So back over at the entry, I want to show you this little coat closet with a barn slider real quick. And then you have your other 2 bedrooms and your guest bath on this side of the house. So let's just hit the guest bath real quick. Pretty standard setup, solid surface counters, tall ceilings, tiled glass door shower. All right, you have guest bedroom number 1 at the front of the house. Tall ceilings in here as well. So all these houses are plumbed for fire systems, fire sprinklers. You have guest bedroom number 2 right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. All right, so you have this cool like butler's pantry, has a barn door slider into it, solid surface counter, make a cool little coffee bar, garage door access, and your laundry areas in here. So you have a big garage setup. You have this 2-car side that's 21 feet deep. That's a 9-foot door. Both doors are insulated. Your air handlers, and looks like a water softener is over here. So you also have a big 69-foot deep RV garage, 14-foot door, 16.5 feet wide at the door opening. Looks like it has full hookups, water, 50 amp clean out. It is pre-wired for mini split AC units. All right, we're going out the double slider out to the backyard pool area. Big covered patio, can lights, ceiling fans. The whole place is pre-wired for speakers. So they did pavers on the patio and then travertine decking all the way around the pool, including the coping. Real nice pool, quartz finish, little Baja shelf with pop-up cleaners. Again, this one sits on a big corner lot, so let's get a little extra space back here. Nice block wall, some artificial turf. Really nicely landscaped. Looks like you have some side access as well. So you do have a lot of side RV parking back here. All gated. Got your pool equipment over here as well. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video tour of the house over here in the foothills. Again, this one is listed for $889. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can always get the latest pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.